Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by enabling Remote Desktop on the PC and creating a user account with a strong password. This lets Windows accept incoming sessions. Once done, open Windows Firewall and allow Remote Desktop, port 3389, so packets reach the host. Make sure you note the host's local IP or DNS name and confirm the network profile is private. If you're on a domain, confirm group policy hasn't blocked RDP. Otherwise, you can't progress to connecting. Now you bridge the network gap. If connecting across the internet, set a router port forward for 3389 to the host, or better, establish a VPN so you don't expose RDP directly. Make sure network-level authentication is enabled on the host to force pre-authentication. This reduces attack surface. On your PC, open the Remote Desktop client, enter the host IP or name, select Display and Resource options, and save the connection profile with credentials for faster reconnection. You're ready to connect. Launch the saved RDP profile and sign in. Accept the host certificate if it's self-signed. Once connected, tweak display, color depth, and shared drives or printers so the Remote Desktop behaves like your local machine. To finish securely, sign out instead of locking. If you can't connect, one key troubleshooting step is to verify network reachability. Ping the host. Test port 3389 with Telnet or an online port checker. And confirm firewall, router rules.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.